Hi, this is Gaudi and welcome to my first hair product review of 2022, the Lulutress Passion Twist. The 18-inch Passion Twist is a versatile look that falls to about mid to lower back, and the color that I chose to wear was 1B27. I'm just going to open the pack for you so that you can see what it looks like. These are actually pre-made from the Lulutress water wave. So it's a thick strand folded in half and the two sides are twisted together to form a chunky twist. It's also quite curly and the texture is soft and it has a glossy look. So one of the things I love about this hair is it's really fast to install. So it's pre-looped and I'll demonstrate on my mannequin. So to install, the crochet needle goes through the conroe and latches onto the loop. You pull the loop through and then you latch onto any section of your passion twist. You pull this through and tighten, and that's it. So aside from the cornrows, it took me an hour to install this hair. This hair also washes well, so this is my basic wash routine. First, I wash my scalp with the OGX turmeric shampoo and I condition with the OGX turmeric conditioner. Once I've washed my scalp, I wash the extensions with this Palmolive Smooth and Shine conditioner this time. Afterwards, I apply the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine to my extension for that extra oomph. Now this stuff is quite slippery, so when you're applying it, just be careful. And I usually dry any excess moisture with an old t-shirt, and if it's still wet, then I can go in with a hairdryer. So I'm just going to dry my hair now. I've worn this hair over summer. I've gone to the beach and the swimming pool, and I've also washed it twice, and each time it came out looking alright. So it does go quite well with water. It doesn't mind water. So I installed these in November 21 and I've had them in for 8 weeks at the time of filming. I went on to take them out the week after this. The hair itself has aged well, but my cornrows underneath were failing me. As you can see, the front, especially on my right hand side, is looking quite tired. So you can also take these out and reinstall them at a later date if you don't want to wear them for as long as I did. They are reusable as it's quite easy to take them out. This hair is also really low maintenance. Usually with my curly styles, I'm used to detangling every 3 or so days. And also I found the same with the Bohemian locks, but I haven't had to detangle the passion twists at all. And as you can see, it's actually not tangling. So I've even gone as far as sleeping without a bonnet for most nights because it's the middle of summer and I'm too hot. But it was quite fine with this hair. So I do recommend it for the summertime. So I'm just going to show you how the hair looks like at 8 weeks. And I'll do a 360 as well so you can see. So thank you. That's it for me. Thank you for watching the review. And if you would like to try the passion twist for yourself, I'll leave the link to my store below.